Come on! Come on!
What's the matter? Get a taste of grass?
Yeah, she can keep her mouth shut. They're rolling sideways. They're not even rolling down. That's how I used to do it.
Now she's covering her face. She's got her eyes closed.
I can't get them all. I got one all the way over there, and Shay made it. There goes Steffi all the way down over there.
I'm gonna wait down here and catch it. But you don't run up on the road.
I gotta go a mile back.
See if Steffi can walk. Go ahead.